You don't need the water kitchen sink?
Not yet. I'll get in a second. We're at one.
I mean, you let it run.
Yeah, in a minute. What's our address here?
13829.
Yep. 13829.
18th Avenue Southwest.
18th Avenue Southwest. We're recording the sewer line today. I pushed this camera out 175 feet. We're probably still 30 plus feet short of the main, but at that distance I can't get it that far. So this is our only clean out access as of right now. I'm going to pull back from this 175 foot point. I've located that in the driveway about 15 feet deep. About 3/4 of the way up the driveway. Made a paint mark to indicate the spot. We're going to come back from here. Quite a bit of sand and dirt in this line down here. Right now all you can see is water, but there's a little bit of dirt, sand down there. I've got the camera propped up off of the floor of the pipe with a skid right now, so we're sitting up a little bit higher so we can see a little bit more of this pipe as we come back here. This should be 6-inch diameter. Well, kind of tough to tell diameter size here. We'll speculate that it's 6, but it could be 4. We'll see if it transitions at any point. But so far so good. This looks to be in pretty good shape.
What was that? Was that a change in the diameter? Or?
No, I haven't seen anything yet.
Okay. Oh, you look pretty clean.
Yeah, so far so good.
Three there, but a big chunk of something.
No, this is so far I'm okay with this stuff. Concrete pipe here. Original to the house. Or original when they got off of the septic system anyway.
See, there's some.
Yeah, a little bit of debris.
There,
Nothing too major. We're now getting back into a little bit of sand. I'm going to go locate where we're at right now and see what we got.
Okay. So the beginning was a little bit more sand and...
Yeah, as we come back, you're going to start seeing more sand.
But where you're...
Especially right in here. This area has a lot of sand and rock and dirt.
Okay. But when we started farming, there was a lot less dirt.
Down there? Yeah, there's some more sand. That's where we're starting to see a little bit of sand on the downstream side. Okay, we've got that spot located about 8 feet deep towards the bottom of the driveway. You got a tie-in at the top of the pipe there, a branch arm tie-in.
You mean a bifurcation here? Or something that...
Well, there's a line right here coming in at the top of the pipe.
Oh.
I am not sure what it leads to. We'll go locate that as well.
Yeah. Well, that could be the... Well, no. It shouldn't be the drain, should it?
No, because there's another one right here, and I thought the same thing. Maybe it's something here, and I ran the hose down there for about 5 minutes. Another drop of water.
Oh.
arm could be.
But I'm a little surprised with the same location that you marked it.
Well, I'm marked it back here. There's a bunch of sand and dirt here, and it's pretty close to this drain. I'm wondering if there isn't something correlated there.
Okay.
But
Yeah, that's what I hit.
But let's keep coming back from that point. All right, that's pretty much in the exact same spot I just located, so we only came back a few inches there.
Okay.
So keep coming back from this branch arm. See, we've got quite a bit of sand in the pipe here. No, it's just as the camera comes back, it kind of washes. Yeah. As you get back down towards the bottom of this driveway, I'm going to get another locate. Because more than likely, the way these work, Paul, is we dig the furthest downstream point that we can, and then hold all that sand into our hole, and then get rid of it. So dump it out.
You think where?
At the farthest downstream point that we can, and then basically use the jetter with the special head that pulls all the sand into the hole, and then dump it out.
Oh,
So what I'm looking for is a spot on the property that we can dig that's going to still let you use your driveway. If I dig there, the driveway shut down. If we dig here, we still got enough room to get a car past. I mean, is this tree root? that could help.
And because I need an update on all the other things.
Yeah, yeah.
You should be done with the drainage plan, so the timing is compatible.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good. Okay, we are going to continue to come back from this point. We've got that located out there. That would likely be our excavation point. Try to jet all this sand out and then install a liner from this 98-foot point coming back. So, like as you can see, about half of the pipe is filled with sand here. Which is making it very hard for your sewage to get through.
Okay.
That's why you're having these backup problems. All this sand in the line is holding up the toilet paper and the solid waste.
Yeah, now it's. What
Yeah.
does this mean? Is this
We're
mean-
underwater. So even though I
Okay.
propped the camera up
Okay.
off the ground, still that sand is holding up enough sewage that
Okay.
I can't see.
Yep.
See, we kind of pop out of it as I pull back, but
Yeah.
for the most part, this is all.
And it shouldn't be. Yeah.
Nope.
Okay, that's pretty full.
Yeah, it should be like this. You should be going downhill. There should be no water in the pipe. If it's
Yeah.
wide open and it's got a proper grade, the pipe
Yeah.
should always be empty.
Yeah. So how many feet are we here? Or?
I mean, we're 60 feet. I mean, we're coming back here, so. See a big rock in the pipe there
Mm-hmm.
at the bottom, right in front of
Yeah,
us.
right there. Yeah.
Yeah, so something's allowing.
That
Will you
get-
turn that kitchen sink on real quick?
Oh,
for me?
it's been on all the time.
Kitchen sink still running?
Yeah. Let me.
You sure?
Well, okay, no, I guess not. Maybe my wife turned it off.
Do cold water for me, please, Paul.
Coming now.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
I want to see if it comes in. So there's another branch arm right here on the right side of the pipe.
Yeah, that's
See where that-
50.
Yep, 50 feet. I want to see if we see that kitchen water start coming in here. We'll go locate the spot while I'm waiting.
Yeah, that's the branch. Yeah.
Yep, I'll go locate this.
Okay. Oh, right there.
Already located.
Yeah. Okay.
See water coming in there or no?
You're the expert. This may be noise on the camera.
Yeah, that's just the...
Okay. So that number you put down there, 3 feet, that's how deep it is
Yep.
at that location?
Yep.
Yeah. Let me see if I can pump up the volume a little bit.
Okay. There we go.
Is it coming now?
Thought it was.
Yeah, I see some flowing, some
Yeah.
debris going. I think.
There you go. Oh yeah, there you go.
Yeah. something?
Pipe's a little bit rough. Thought that might have been a diameter shifter, but there's our kitchen tie-in. See that?
Okay.
Water coming in from the right
Yeah,
side there.
Yeah.
Go locate this spot.
Yeah. Okay. The water just shut off.
It's okay. I don't need it.
Okay.
You're good, Paul. Thank you.
Got a little electrical thing on there that.
Shuts it off. Wow. Handy.
Well, it's one of those touch faucet. You
Yeah,
touch it,
I
it
saw
turns
it.
on, and
I've seen those. So, kitchen's coming around.
Really?
Coming in right there.
okay,
About 2 feet deep.
okay. That's at 20 some feet.
Mm-hmm. And back into plastic there.
Oh, okay.
So from 98 to 15, you got, what is that? It's, 83 feet from here to that hole. From here to the mark.
Yeah.
I'm going to end the video there. We've got a good look at the line.